Hey there! Welcome to 800 SAT Math. In this video, we are going to discuss a quick tip about geometry, specifically triangles questions in the SAT Math test. But before we start, like this video and subscribe to our channel to get more videos and tips for better SAT Math score. First, you have 15 seconds to read and review the question. If you need more time, you can pause the video. First, in any geometry question written, you should have a draft for a better visual for your answer. Then applying the given in the question, that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. The pattern of the letters illustrate the equal angles according to that pattern. So follow the color code to understand which angle is equal to the other. Then if tan A equals root 3, then tan D equals as well. Root 3. If tan means the opposite side divided by the adjacent side, EF divided by DF is equal to root 3, which means that EF equals 2, DF root 3. If you apply this in the triangle, you will notice that this ratio elaborates a ratio of the special 30-60-90 right-angle triangle, meaning that DE will equal twice DF. In that case, DE should equal to 250. You can repeat and pause the video for further clarity. Drop any question in the comments. Thank you for watching and happy studying.